morning. Todd Butterfield, WyckoffSMI.com, LearnCrypto.io. Wanted to give a quick update on something I think a major shift change that's occurring here in the stock markets. I've mentioned this the last few months where I thought U.S. growth stocks were overpriced, overowned, and emerging markets might be the place to be, like China, etc. So obviously, Trump's tariffs have thrown some wrenches into even the emerging markets. But I want to show here in front of us, courtesy of Elliott Wave, as you can see down here, April 2025. You can see emerging markets versus the SPY ratio has been in a solid downtrend since 2010. So that's 15 years of underperformance. And I personally think that is changing. If this wave count is true, then yes, it has changed. With that in mind, then, we go to the EEM, which is an emerging market ETF, which I have in front of us. This would have been the major low back here, which I think is probably a wave 4, but otherwise you can see volume, blue line here, definitely in accumulation phase. There is some Elliott wave counts where this could be a 1-2, and this could be a 1-2. And this recent sell-off here in the last couple weeks is the end of a wave 2, if you like some Elliott wave. But again, I think you're seeing outperformance from emerging markets starting to take effect. And I think I'm doing this report because you've had a nice sell-off here, nice little ABC correction. We've had a pullback to what is a previous 4th wave. So I think this is a low-risk area to be looking at emerging markets and a place to be able to add that position. Then I think more importantly, for especially the Learn Crypto and patreon.com/learncrypto, if we go to a Bitcoin chart on the top and VWO, EEM, both really the same thing, an emerging market type ETF. And that's kind of what I want to show here, why you could be extremely bullish on Bitcoin here. So at the bottom, once again, VWO, EEM, they look the same. But this could have been the end of really a 10, 11-year sideways consolidation phase. And again, we've got this 1-2, 1-2 I mentioned. So we're sitting right here. And if this is a 1-2, 1-2, then we're ready for 3 of 3 to the upside. And if you notice here, Bitcoin has been following the emerging markets extremely well. We had this wave 4, which was a corresponding wave 2 in Bitcoin. We had this major sell-off in this wave 2, which was Bitcoin's wave 4. Then we had the strong rally up into wave 1. Bitcoin had the strong rally from 15,000 up to the 105. And now again, we've had this ABC pullback, and Bitcoin's had an ABC or WXY pullback. So if EEM is really, if emerging markets is really ready to outperform the SPY, then really we don't need a NASDAQ strong. We don't need the SPY strong here in the States. We need the emerging markets to come alive. So once again, if we've had a 10 to 14 year sideways market in emerging markets that has came to an end and we're ready to break out to the upside, which is what this wave 3 here would do, then probably you're going to have a bunch of money coming back to Bitcoin. So really I want to do this update to say being long Bitcoin here is 77,900. Could be the low risk setup to take advantage of this. I would have your portfolios tilted towards some emerging markets, whether it's the ETFs or some individual issues in some of the different countries. But again, if Bitcoin starts outperforming here, a lot of U.S. growth money could run to Bitcoin and really could have a sea change here. So that's all for now. But this is going to be a thesis I'm going to be on, and I'm going to stay on. Good luck.